Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY refashion clothes with a simply but pretty way. As we know that the whole world is fighting coronavirus, especially doctors and nurses. They are working really hard right now for us. So to keep the medical mask for them, please use a washable or replayable face mask if you can. And because of that, today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways to make a face mask from your old clothes. It's a hand-sew project, so you don't need to have a sewing machine to do it. Let's get started! For the first face mask, you need an A4 paper with the size 15 cm width and 21 cm length. From the length of the paper, I measure the width of the face mask that suits my face, which is the width from my nose to my ear. And it's around 15 cm. Then from there, I go to inside 3 cm and drawing another straight line. At the outside line, I mark at the middle, then connecting that mark to the top and the bottom of the inside line, so they will look like a triangle. After that, drawing a curved line at each side of the triangle, but drawing a curved line at the top smaller than at the bottom. At the left side from the top, I go down 5 cm and mark there. Then I connect that mark to the top of the inside line. At the bottom of the left side, I go up 3 cm and mark another one, then connecting that mark to the bottom of the inside line. And we will have the pattern for the face mask after cutting. Apply your pattern to your old clothes like t-shirt or shirt, then drawing along. We will need 4 pieces of this pattern to make the face mask. After cutting, I'm sewing 2 pieces together at the curved line. Because it's a hand-sew project, so I do it by hand, but you can do it by sewing machine too. After sewing, I face 2 right sides together and fix them by the bins at the top and the bottom, and sewing along. After upside the fabric, we will have the main body of the face mask. I'm using a small elastic band around 15 cm width to make the ear holding for the face mask. I fold the end of the face mask inside about 2 cm, then putting 2 ends of the elastic band to 2 sides of it. Use the bins to hold them together, then sewing. Remember to sew 2 times at the meeting of the elastic band and the fabric. It will keep them together stronger and not falling out. You can use the invisible seam or just a normal seam like I did. And we finished this framework. Here's how it looks like. Moving to the second framework, I'm using the paper with 17 cm width and 25 cm length. Applying it to your clothes and drawing along. We will need 2 pieces of this pattern to make the framework. After cutting, I'm fixing 2 pieces together at 2 side bindings, then sewing. After upside the fabric, I'm drawing 2 straight lines at 2 sides with 3 cm from the outside line. Then folding the end of each side to that line and sewing. Remember that you need to have enough space to put the elastics inside later, so check the width of your elastic band before folding. Now I'm putting the elastic band inside the fabric hole at 2 sides by the hair clip. Then I sew 2 ends of the elastic band together to become a circle. You can hide that seam inside the fabric hole. And we finished this framework. Here's how it looks like. I hope it gives you some good advice during this time. Please wash your hands, wear a mask, stay at home and do social distancing. There's small things we can do but help the community to fight the virus. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to check my other videos. See you next week!